Cognism is a B2B lead generation platform that helps sales teams find, qualify, and connect with prospects. It uses AI to provide accurate and up-to-date contact data, making it a powerful tool for sales teams. Here's a beginner-friendly guide on how to use Cognism for sales. Sign up and log in. Create an account on Cognism's website and log in to access the dashboard. Create a search. In the dashboard, go to the prospect section. You can create targeted searches by applying filters like job title, company size, industry, location, and more. This helps you find leads that match your ideal customer profile. Build a lead list. Once you've defined your search criteria, Cognism will provide a list of prospects that match. You can view their contact information, including emails and phone numbers, and export these leads for outreach. Reach out via email or phone. Cognism offers an integrated outreach tool that allows you to send personalized emails directly from the platform. You can also use the phone numbers to reach out via calls or SMS. CRM integration. You can integrate Cognism with your CRM to seamlessly manage and track your outreach efforts.